Now we're in Virginia, and I guess this is Dickinson County. Up this trail, not too much further, is Birch Knob Tower. It's a really awesome lookout. Really high up on the mountain. It's a pretty decently clear day too, so we should be able to see pretty far. We'll get on up here and find it. There's a billion steps when you get there, which is always awesome to climb. Alright, here's these steps. I don't know how many of them there are. There's a bunch. Alright, there's the answer. 180. There used to be a fire tower here, that one, on this same spot now. That's the tower that's there now. 3,144 feet above sea level. On a clear day, you can see Virginia, Kentucky, West Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Ohio. Alright, let's get up here and start working our way up. Alright, I think this up here is the top. I think we're just about there. Now we made it to the top. They've got states marked off. So we got Ohio over here. Then right here is Kentucky. I was told that the Kentucky state line's maybe just like 3 feet ahead, so you can stand here in Virginia and reach over into Kentucky, which is that way. On this side, you got West Virginia. All this here being the home state. That's an awesome view there. You got North Carolina here. I guess that side's Virginia. This part's North Carolina, way off. Tennessee. Alright, we'll start working our way back down all these stairs. And we'll head out of here.